Up to Olivia for
Mama.
No, you
just have chocolate.
Keto from Mom. Keto, that would be you.
Look, what's this? A necklace.
Oh,
Daddy got new gear.
Logan, would you
You
give
want
me
to
a
put it
present?
on? It'll match your outfit.
What, Daddy? Wow, is that like an earring here? What is that?
That's a necklace.
Okay.
This
You
one.
want to put this on?
To Olivia from Papa Blue.
Here, I'm putting gold.
All right, Logan.
Sweetheart. This one's for Logan too from Papa.
You got camo, dude?
Did you see those on Glenbeck?
I didn't see these.
There's the Survivor playing cards.
No,
The
I didn't.
Urban Survivor.
What's the question?
Julia, big present for Julia.
Oh boy, look at that big.
Oh boy, Julia.
Oh my goodness.
That's funny, Mom.
Watch out, Logan, you're going to trip.
Oh, look what Logan got. Daddy, look what Logan got.
Dude, you got a remote control car?
Very cool.
Okay.
Yeah,
Wait for her to
she's
open
busy
that one
right
first,
now.
Don. Give me this other bag over here.
Can you move this over there?
Yes.
And I'll help Louie out with
Okay.
Is there any extra bags in that one?
They're right here.
Logan, another present for Logan.
Oh boy. Oh cool, Julia, look at that.
Oh boy, dress up.
Another one for Don.
All right, Julia, we're gonna play dress up.
Logan, another present for Logan.
Oh, there's a watch in there, honey.
There's a watch, Logan. Turn it over.
A lunchbox for Logan.
Okay, honey, hold on.
Charlie.
Put your costume in the
Another
box.
present for Logan.
What movie's in there, Don?
The Hangover.
The what?
The Hangover.
I almost bought it.
Oh, that movie's funny, Don. You're gonna crack up.
That's so
I know they got movies about drunks and bars and stuff.
A sleeping bag! Yay! That's what he was
I'm
wanting.
always trying to read into one of these. I need to watch these guys.
Yeah.
Olivia. That's another Olivia. present.
Olivia. Okay. You're helping.
Working. That's a helper. Olivia, another one for Olivia.
Oh my goodness, she's cleaning up.
Yeah.
Oh, let me see.
Julia's dress book. You want
Oh,
to see
Carl,
your
that's
watch,
a perfect
Cookie?
one.
That's what I've heard you
Do you
say.
like it, Carly?
Another one for
We'll just
Olivia.
have to cut this band a little bit.
You're cleaning up. Keep going. You might have another one back there.
That's a nice one.
Which one you want to put on?
I
Purple,
told you
pink,
this.
What is this, sir?
That's her
one
dress
at a
up.
time.
Kelsey,
Now
another
you can
present
put
for
one
Kelsey.
All right, Kelsey.
Which one? Purple?
There you
Snow
go.
White? Which one? Okay, Sleeping Beauty it is. All right. You put these back in here for the next time. You can change them. Okay?
Logan, that's such a good boy cleaning up your mess.
All right, thanks, Logan.
Oh,
To Jesse from Don and Angie.
Jess?
Yeah.
Jess ain't here.
I know.
Oh. Oh, whoops, we forgot one.
Angie, did you want to get a picture of her?
I did. Huh?
So,
I'm doing a video.
Kelsey, very good. There you go. That's
Carly.
There
All
you go.
right.
I got Papa Tree.
Oh, there's a big one. That's for Julia.
Welcome.
Is it?
Oh, this is Julia.
All right, Julia.
This is Julia. Yeah, that's that Julia right there.
Oh.
You Julia? You're Julia. Yeah.
All right, Julia. What is that?
That's a big box.
Wait, Julia, this is yours too. Which one you want to open first?
Yeah, I wonder why.
That's so cute.
of course it's big.
Yep.
That's the Papa Two really does.
Let me check it out. Is that what you said?
Mom,
Is she going to daycare?
Karen from.
That's what she's picking up?
We just had a spill.
Oh.
Look at that, you got a new baby and a new stroller.
Oh, wow. Santa Claus really brought you something good.
Look at that, Julia.
Look at the little baby.
You're welcome, sweetheart. Karen.
Oh boy.
Mine got Papa Two.
Cat, Carly. Got that,
That
Julia?
would be you. That would be you.
Oh, cool.
Oh.
Look at that. That's nice. Oh my God,
She
Julia.
ran that from Mama's house.
Oh,
Another one for Julia.
Oh, you got Toy Story.
Julia.
Toy.
You got Toy Story 3.
Cool.
Look.
Yeah.
Did look, Julia, let me see your movie. Did you get Toy Story?
Yeah.
Oh,
You got all in there.
Lotions and bath
Oh,
soap. Thank
pretty bad.
you.
You're
Yeah,
welcome.
for the bath.
They
You're-
get used too.
Yeah.
you're welcome.
Yay.
Who's this?
What you got now, Julia?
I got Papa Two.
My goodness.
You got another one?
Ooh.
Oh, book 4.
Hey, look at the sky.
Karen.
Nice. That's nice.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, hon.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll tell him when I get my reindeer out of it.
Well, you
All
gotta
right,
say before
what
you
is
leave.
it?
That's right.
You gotta open it.
Oh, Julia.
That's
Party. Kelsey. You're
That's
welcome.
Santa Claus. What's the matter with you?
I don't eat though.
Oh, wow.
Well, I don't have a green card.
Denise.
No, I don't think you do.
Hey,
Sis.
where'd you get this?
Dillard.
Oh,
No,
that's
JC
Yeah.
JC Penney.
beautiful, Mom. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, wow. Look what I
Brandon.
got, Kelsey.
Oh.
Woo!
On the back?
Careful, Logie.
Read it.
I couldn't see when you hold it up.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Ah.
Thank you, Don, Angie.
You're welcome.
Kelsey.
All right. That's a really good smelly one.
Yeah, buddy.
From Bath and Body Works. It's peppermint.
Just, I can. Oh, that is good.
Okay.
Okay, well, wait on that one. For just a minute.
Julia.
Thank you.
There you go.
Oh my gosh, another big one, Julia?
They just keep rolling in.
All right, the power washer.
One fell right here.
Oh, John got a power.
Oh.
Thank you, sweetie.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Don.
What'd you get there, girl?
Thank you, Don.
Got a
Okay.
gift card?
I'm gonna start taking some of
Yep.
this stuff to the
Yep.
room.
Hiding in the corner. Got a snowman.
Look
Hey,
at the
You
cowgirl.
go through everything in here? Yeah, that was the nativity scene was in there, right? Okay. No, thank you, because we have a little one and a big one. The little one broke this year when we were setting it out.
And all friends.
Oh my goodness, Julia, look at what color is all that? Look at Julia.
Brandon.
All right, I'm coming down in
Julia, look at that.
We have another
Oh, my
bag.
goodness.
Carry the bag
Look
over
at
here.
this, how cute. Oh, Julia.
Okay, thank you for helping. You're such a good helper.
I got a lot
we
there.
can
I
use
don't
the
know
bag
which
to
one's
take home.
mine.
Here's for Brandon.
Wow, Julia,
Thank
look
you,
how
Don.
pretty.
I got a bunch.
Angie.